heaven on earth. Okay? Why? So that we can get a kind of an appetizer. What's the appetizer? It's something that makes you ready for the main course, for the banquet. On earth, we just get a taste of it, very little taste of what is going to be our destiny in heaven. Right? Okay. Yeah, and the culture knows it. You heard of the singer called Mick Jagger? Mick Jagger? You know what the song? I can't get no satisfaction. You heard the song? Yeah? So the Mick Jagger says, I can't get no satisfaction. From what? What satisfaction can't get out? Is there enough women, you think? He's a pop singer of the 1970s or something. Huh? But he can't get no satisfaction. Lots of women in his life, lots of sex, but no satisfaction. Correct? We have, God has put this desire in our heart. Is it good or bad? And the whole Christian life is about how to satisfy that desire. How to satisfy? The desire in our hearts. And you might say, you're smiling, you don't know. If he try to run after the desire, what will happen? We can get into deep trouble, no? We can get in trouble. So what should we do? Forget about it. Yeah? Keep it suppressed. No. We have to live that desire, and the theology body tells us how to live that desire. Okay? All the time, anybody is keeping a time for the break? Yeah? Time now? Okay. So, just end with this. You know, the woman who was caught in adultery, correct? You read that? The woman caught in adultery, they came and Jesus was teaching his disciples. Suddenly they came and threw a woman at his feet. And then this woman was caught in the act of adultery. What do you have to say? Moses said you must stone such people who were caught in adultery. What do you say? But Jesus put on the spot. No. What does he do? He says, what he says? Those who don't have any sin, cast the first stone. And he starts writing on the ground. And then he looks up, one by one, all these people who want to stone the woman, they disappear. Who's left there? Who's left? The woman and Jesus. Did Jesus have sin? Could he have cast the first stone? He could have, no? What did he do? He said, woman, what did he say? Your sins are forgiven you, but go and sin no more. Many people usually say, Jesus was very merciful sinners. But what did Jesus also say? Sin no more. And did she? She never sinned again. Why? Because this woman had many husbands probably, no? What was she looking for? There's another song that says, looking for love in all the wrong faces, looking for love in too many places. This woman was looking for love in all the wrong faces. But when she saw the face of a heavenly bridegroom, she never looked at another man again. Because she found the man she's looking for. Yeah. So all of us, there's a desire in our hearts for the right person. Our ultimate satisfaction will only be in God. Okay? But some of us we have different ways of following that on earth. So we'll talk more about that the days to come. And right now, Rajesh is waiting for what is it? Tea break?
It's a break, yeah.
Break. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, the people who have come late for the session, who have not registered, please go to the reception on the left hand side and please register yourself and collect your IDs